Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi uhulumende unciphisa tihibe letivimbela kukhula kwemabhizinisi kusita abantu labasha nekuthi kusetshenzwe ngetidzingo tangaleso sikhathi. So yavela umthelela walombhikisho webashayeli bemaloli kubosemabhizinisi baseBloemhof eNorthwest. Ishonile wena wekunene sikwamukele Tindzabeni tesiswati kulilanga lebantu labasha i-Youth Day. Yamukela ke nati talamuhla lesitethula bukhoma ku-SABC1. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi le Tindzaba siyatholakala na ku-YouTube ungasifuna ngokuthi SABC Tindzaba. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi uhulumende unciphisa tihibe letivimbela kukhula kwemabhizinisi kusita abantu labasha nekuthi kusetshenzwe ngetidzingo tangaleso sikhathi. Enkulumeni yakhe yebunjalo belive ngasekucaleni kwalomnyaka, mengameli wamemetela ukuthi lihhovisi lebumengameli litawuhloma liphiko kulelo hovisi kubukana nalenkinga. Mengameli ukhulume lokho eMpumalanga Kapa kumbuthano wavelonke wekubungata lilanga lalabasha eMthatha.
We are intensifying our investment drive and removing the red tape that has always held business back from contributing to the growth of our economy to achieve greater employment creation. Alongside these measures, we are harnessing capacity of the state to respond to the immediate needs of young people. It is for this reason that we announced the Presidential Youth Employment Intervention, which is a comprehensive response to the youth unemployment challenge.
Liwelcembu le-Democratic Alliance John Steenhuisen uthi intsha ngeke iyekele kubuta imibuto mayelana nelidzaba lephalaphala bekakhuluma embuthaneni wensha e-Alexandra kanzina lamanye amacembu etepolitiki aligubhile losuku.
Umholi we-DA usebenzele lithuba lelilanga lanamhla kukhuluma ngeludzaba lwephalaphala uthi bantu labasha solo bamele timendvulo kumele mengameli atiphendvule.
It's a terrible image, and the longer the president remains silent, the more that vacuum is being filled with speculation and accusation. And I think he needs to, as I've said from the beginning, take the country into his confidence.
Kanzi ngesikhathi yakhuluma kulelanga lensha namhla eThohoyandlo umholi we-EFF Julius Malema akagegela ugodo uvele wakhuluma ngendzaba yamengameli Cyril Ramaphosa. Malema ukhuluma ngaloludzaba lokwetshiwa kwemali eplazini lamengameli iphalaphala usola mengameli ngekungabhadali intsela uthi lenzela ngabe sinetisele ekuthuthukiseni impilo tebantfu.
It's all EFF that can stop the mattress revolution. Ramaphosa, the majority, the EFF has declared war on him. Why? The money that he put under mattress, he didn't pay tax on it. Because it is that tax which must come to you and build you roads and build you schools and build you clinics and build you houses.
Kanzi ne-IFP phawulile ngalelanga lanamhla.
You need a heightened youth activism in the decision-making spaces, whether it's at local government, provincial government, and also in business. We need to begin building up a cadreship of administrators who are going to be able to run parallel the political leadership.
Kanzilana kulele emachawe a-1976 tsiyetsi mashini na khotso siyahlolo laba lababili bahleli beSoweto student uprising bashona balola imfundo yomuntu lomnyama kepha imindeni yabo ithi imfundo letholwa ngumuntu lomnyama nyalo seyimbi kakhulu kunaphambilini.
I think in terms of education we have not really realized what we wanted to what we hoped to achieve at 2016, except that English is a medium of instruction. That's fine.
Kanzi ke lokubambisana lokube khona kulelanga lanamhla emkhathini kwe-PAC ne-AZAPO kulandzela kusethi inhlangano letimbili tivumelane ukuthi tiyosebenzisana.
All our people to step.
Nzima Foundation ithi lenzaba ye-June 16 uprising ayicoceki kungakathindwa ligama laseNzima kwathi sephela ukuthi nguye lo wathwebula lesithombe semlandvo. Lokhu ke kuvele kuSemnzima Memorial Lecture yesibili lebeyibanjelwe eTshwane University of Technology eMbombela esifundeni seMpumalanga. Bafundzeli ababuye etikhungweni temfundo lephakeme letahlukene bebabuthene kulenzayo kutewulalela lo mlandvo waseNzima.
Sokuphela iminyaka lemine wandlula emhlabeni semzima. Kepha imisebenzi yakhe solo yatikhulumela. Nzima watiwa njengemuntu loba nesibinzi kwatisa wathatha isithombe saHector Peterson ngesikhathi sembhikisho wabafundzi eSoweto. Namhla ti-16 enyakeni yenhlaba 1976 lesathuma umhlaba wonke. Lesithombe sanzima simataniswa nemlandvo yenkululeko yakuleli ngemva kwengcinzetelo lebeyihamba nesibhuku ngesikhathi sahulumende welibandlululo. Insha lihambela lombuthano inemibono.
What I would like to motivate us as youth is that we keep the legacy of Dr. Nzima and we keep the legacy of those who fought for our 1976 education.
Today I learned the legacy of what was happening in the Soweto uprising in 1976. It teaches us how, what our parents went through and the linking of the Hector Peterson picture, which was taken by Nzima.
I-Nzima Foundation ikholwa ukuthi kuncane lokwentiwa nguhulumende emitameni yokuhlonipha Nzima.
We are celebrating him today with those kind of glowing memories in mind and with the pride that us as the family and we believe South Africa as a whole is equally remembering Nzima with those fond memories and the sacrifices of the youth of 1976 that brought us this far.
Dr. Royal Khoza uthi kumqoka ukuthi isha ifundziswe ngenzima leyadlalwa nguNzima ekulwisaneni nahulumende welibandlululo.
In one picture, he told a complete story, and we felt that he should be remembered, he should be commemorated, and I believe in due course we should actually institutionalize him.
Le foundation ithi ifuna kuhlanganisa umlandvo loqoshiwe wempilo yaNzima letawutfulwa ngekushesha.
Kwesolakala kwemisebenzi kungalingani kwebulili nebugebengu ngiletinye tetingcinamba insha yakuleli lebona ukuthi kufanele tibuke ngeliso lelikhaliphile lokhu kuvele kumbukiso we-I-Ahmed Kathrada Foundation lobuke kakhulu ubulungiswa nelinjinjo lebebanjwe ePitoli njengengcenye yekubungata lilanga lensha.
Lilanga lekubungata emachawe lalwisana nembuso wencindzetelo nga-1976. Kepha nyalo insha ibukene netingcinamba letifaka ikhatsi kwesalakala kwemsebenzi kungalingani ngekwebulili kanye nelizinga lelisetulu lebugebengu.
We should be advocating for gender equality because femicide is a real issue in this country and a lot of women don't feel safe anymore. Climate justice, climate change, the earth is melting beneath our feet and we as the future are already concerned as to what's going to happen.
Tinhlangano letinge-60 tibuthane kuyolwela bulungiswa betenhlalakahle tibambisene ne-Kathrada Foundation.
We need to start looking at how young people are kept out of or disengaged from decision making around public policy outcomes, right from the very top at national government all the way down to local government.
Namanje sayilwela inkululeko kodwa inkululeko esisilwela manje sihlukile sokuyinkululeko ye-safety yeingane zethu. Ingane zethu sezitholakala ezikoleni lezokufunda ze-high education zitholakala isema-suitcasini ziqoshwa abafana. Ngeke sikwazi ukuma sibukele yenzeka lento.
I-Kathrada Foundation bese iyachaza ukuthi wani lo mbuthano walomuhla.
Through a memorandum that was constructed collectively with some of these organizations, we'll be able to express those concerns and what young people believe needs to be done in order to address it.
Insha lebekathe ingcenye yalo mbuthano inxuse uhulumende ukuthi alalele tikhalo tayo.
Takamoti tesifundza se-Gauteng lebetholwa nguNdvunankhulu nasodolobha waseJozi tibambe umbuthano wekukhumbula i-June 16 uprising eHector Peterson Museum. Kanzi baqale ngekubeka timbali emathuneni ekuseni base bagcinela eMorick Isaacson High School lapho lo mlandvo wendeka khona.
Uhulumeni waseGauteng kanye nomphakathi bakhumbule intsha ngo-1976 eyalahlekelwa impilo yayo ilwela ubulungiswa. Kanti futhi babelwa nobandlululo. Intsha ebungazelo olusuku ithi kuningi okusafanele kulungiswe.
Ngeke sithi it's fine yonke into right akabe yonke into right up until mhlambe youth ke kube ne-employment ye-youth understand yehle unemployment ye-youth.
I feel that as a youth we have the power to unite. It can be seen with what happened with Fees Must Fall. I urge all the young people to stand up and fight against the injustices of what this system and this government is doing to us.
I think youth day is still relevant. Just ukuthi kumele thina nje sibumbane as youth yangamhlanje sisupportane and then take it upon ourselves ukuthi senze umehluko emiphakathini yethu.
Yize uhulumeni evumile ukuthi kusakhona izinselele, basebenzise lolu suku ukuveza izinhlelo ezizokwazi ukusiza intsha yaseGoli.
We need to get as many young people educated as possible, and we need to get them into positions of influence. I believe that today is about taking stock. Even for our young people, what am I doing? Am I making noise, complaining, or am I making the right decisions for my life?
We are rolling out the Presidential Youth Employment Initiative, 42,000 young people, young professionals who are helping us in those programs, but there's 2.2 million young people who are not in employment, not in education, and not in training in Gauteng.
Njengengxenye yokubungaza lolusuku, iSarafina eyaqoshelwa lapha nayo ibungaza iminyaka engama-30. Herbert Memela wezindaba ze-SABC eSoweto.
Tindzaba temanyuvesi tivama kuba ngumhlaba lonothile wekwakha abantu bakusasa labatavula emathuba emsebenzi kutemabhizinisi nebuchwepheshe letinyeke tinkampani letinkulu emhlabeni tacala kwakhiwa abanikati basesetitjudeni. Inhlangano yalabasha enyuvesi iVets lesekela iphinze isite abantu labasha labafuna lomkhakha ithi likusasa lawo liyethembisa kucala emabhizinisi basenyuvesi kusita insha ukuthi itakhele yawo iphinze itakhele imali eceleni.
Kuhlonyiswa ngemakhono kutemabhizinisi kwetitjudeni kubonakala kumcoka kakhulu ngekufaka isandla ekukhuliseni umnotho nekuvula amathuba emisebenzi. Luhlelo lwe-Vets Student Entrepreneurship Education and Development kuthatha abantu labasha ukuthi bacale amabhizinisi basafunza.
We need to then start looking into what actually leads the students to participating in entrepreneurship activities in that particular way. For example, some of the students that we get to work with here at the university, you find that some of them are actually just like, doing it because they are looking for a side hustle. Yeah. And then others in that way, they are actually doing it because these are businesses, innovative businesses that are actually going to drive measurable socio-economic impact in society. Others are already creating jobs.
Luhlelo lomnyawo labahlomlile kulerethodi manala losebenza kwasha amateke ebhizinisini emngani wakhe. Usebenza lana kuthola imali eceleni ngaphandle kwekuhlufa abatali.
It is very busy. There's a lot of foot traffic on campus. Yeah, more so because COVID is over and at least they're accepting more students back into campus. So that's created more foot traffic and more customers for us. So that's good.
Luhlelo kubonakala lichazile ikusasa lomfundi nalabanye kutemabhizinisi.
Insha yanga 1976 benensaya ngelitsaba letemfundvo nga 2022 insha ibukene nenkinga yokuswelakala kwemisebenzi. Sinibutile ukuthi ingabe insha ibona ukuthi yini lengendiwa kulisana nekuswelakala kwemisebenzi.
Into engaveza amathuba emisebenzi entsheni kwelilizwe lethu uba uhulumende angaphelisa indaba yamathenda msasi kuvulwe amafema avalwayo nezimayini ezavalwayo msasi.
Yonke lento yokuswelakala komsebenzi iyoqedwa iyophela mhla uhulumeni wafaka ezikoleni izifundo zamakhono kakhulu nalakhona okuzothi abafundi mangabe sebefundile ebese bekwazi ukuthi bona bayisungulele amathuba omsebenzi.
Umsebenzi into lesengekho kwenza malanga. So uma usafuna umsebenzi usafuna ukudlala ngesikhathi so asizameni ukucala amabhizinisi.
Ugovernment akasakwazi ukuthi asivulele amathuba omsebenzi manje njengoba uke wabona ke SABC ingane lapha ezenza ibhizinisi lokuvala umpompo abavuzali zama ukuthi longa amanzi South Africa. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama-initiative anjalo iwona angasiza kakhulu intsha.
Into engakhuthaza ngayo intsha namhlanje ukuthi ingayikhethi imisebenzi ukuthi une-diploma noma une-degree ibe udayisa noma yisemgaqweni usebenzisa umhlaba onawo ukuthi utshale noma uye kovolontiya kuma-community services.
Akukho okudlula ukuthi intsha isukume izithintithe izenzele. Yabona le ndaba okulinda uhulumeni izithembiso ezingekho ayisizi. Intsha inamakhono ayisimanga.
Mina ngithi njengoba iyouth yango-1976 yakhona kulwela imfundo nathi siyouth yamanje ngithi asisukumeni sibele ukuthi sithola amathuba emisebenzi silwisane ne-corruption.
Kwamele ukuthi isungule amabhizinisi itakhele amabhizinisi kuze ukuthi ikhona ukuthuthukisa impilo tayo iye phambili.
Lembono ke babukeli SABC angekitfesa ngikuphendulela ngayo. Sekuboshwe abantu labane kulombhikisho webashayeli bemaloli loku N3 KwaZulu-Natal labasolo ababukene nemacala ekuvimba umgwaco cekela phasi takhiwo ngqandi nemnotfo.
Kuphazamisekile ukuhamba kwezimoto ku-N3 kusukela ke ngesikhathi zasekuseni. Lokhu kwenzeka njengoba ke isiteleka sabashayeli bamaloli bakuleli sesingenela ke usukwini lwesithathu. Abashayeli bamaloli bathi sebekhathele ngaba kubiza ngokwehluleka kukahulumeni ukuxazulula izinselelo ezibhekene nalemboni.
Into ekhalisa abantu ukuqashwa kwabantu bangaphandle. Manje mawuza la enkampanini lezi zama-truck uyathola ukuthi eziningi zazo amalungu ePhalamende noma amalungu enhlangano ebusayo ibona abanamashezi abaningi kuzona lezi inkampani zama-truck.
Umnyango wezokuthutha esifundazweni uyasigxeka ke lesenzo sokuvimba umgwaqo.
Njengohulumeni sibona singekho isidingo salokho ngoba sinazo izinhlelo zokuxoxisana nabama-truck, siney'nhlelo zokubonisana nabo ngey'nto ey'ningi ey'bathintayo okubandakanya izinto ey'ningi abayiphakamisele kuhulumeni ezingahambisi ngomthetho kwabaqashi.
Inhlangano yabashayeli bamaloli ithi isimisele ukubuyela etafuleni lezingxoxo kodwa ke uma uhulumeni efeza izethembiso ayesevele ezenzile. Uhulumeni uthi amaphoyisa azoqhubeka nokuqapha isimo ezindaweni esithintekile. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC iseThekwini.
Kanti sesekude kwetemaloli sewuyavela umthelela walomubhikisho wabashayeli bemaloli kubosomabhizinisi baseBloemhof eNorthwest. Labashayeli baqale kuvala umgwaqo we-N12 losemkhathini kweBloemhof neWolmaranstad ngalesibili Nzambama.
Umgwaqo we-N12 kwencadi imoto letincane kuphela kanti namabhizinisi asayawuva umthelela bese kuthi abashayeli labatelekile bagcinisa umthamo.
I'm too much losing money because customer is not coming here this side. And then what must I do? I'm just sitting whole day. Yesterday also, today also, I'm just sitting here.
This is really affecting our business. As this strike has started, I think on Tuesday. Today is the third day. It's Thursday today. And then the customer, they cannot access the entrance from the other side because of these trucks. They are standing in front of the store and the customer, they cannot view our store. They cannot see even where they are in town because of the trucks.
Lo masipala usatama kutfola tikhulu letitsindzekako kude kwendiwe imitamo yekusombulula lenkinga.
We were speaking with MEC Silolahari this morning. As you all know, that is the one who is responsible for transport in the Northwest Province. And we have requested them through their process of MINMEC, where Minister and MECs are meeting across the country to see how best can they resolve this situation.
Kanti ke emaphoyisa aqaphelele isimo ngeliso lelikhaliphile.
Ndingaketala muhla nasibetitola ukhona umkholo nesimo selitulo nisali kahle.